Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about Cricket Wireless. So I'm on the website here, and so today we will be taking a look at a deal that they have going on right now, like a promotion. So this might interest some of you guys out there. So if you guys go to Cricket's website, y'all guys will see it here. So scroll down a little bit, and y'all guys will see it. Scroll down to right about here, and y'all guys will see $0 beats when you bring your phone, Bluetooth active noise cancellation, 22 hours of listening time, and so much more. With new account and purchase of 3 months of $60 a month plan, ends January 6, 2022. Online only. Requires some kit $9.99. Purchase and activation with compatible device. Taxes due at sale. Restrictions apply. Alright. So if you guys want some headphones, here you go. They're regularly $300. These are the Beats headphones. I'm not sure what kind they are. And the only thing it says that it's just Beats headphones. And they are very nice looking headphones, minus the blue color. So basically, bring your own phone, get some Beats. Free with new account and 3 months of $60 plan. They was doing that with a couple of phones. Now they're giving you headphones, which is pretty cool. So if you guys want some new headphones, here you go. Bring your own phone. Love your current phone or data device. Bring it over and switch to Cricket. It's easy. Follow these 3 steps to get to start. So basically, you unlock your device. Your device will need to be unlocked to work on the Cricket network. If it isn't already unlocked, your original wireless carrier will unlock it for you as long as you meet their requirements. Check device compatibility. So this is very important, guys. Check that your unlocked phone or data device is compatible with the Cricket network. Some unlocked devices aren't compatible with our network. We make it easy with our device ID checker. Says other carriers' 5G devices may not have access to Cricket's 5G service at this time. Then the third thing that you guys do is select the SIM card and plan. You will add the universal Cricket SIM card kit to your cart, and then choose the plan for your device. Choose from high-speed data and unlimited talk and text, or data-only plans for tablets and mobile hotspot devices. So y'all guys will need a $60 plan for this to work, obviously. So if you guys want to check to see if your device is compatible with Cricket, the only thing that you guys gotta do is dial *06# and to get your IMEI information and stuff like that. That's for Android. You guys want to find your IMEI on Android, there you go. Go to Apple, pretty much the same thing. And then if you guys have a data-only device, read that there. You would enter in your IMEI right here to see if it's compatible. It will let you know if it's compatible or not. Get a Cricket SIM card, which is $10, which isn't bad for a SIM card. So you guys will choose what thing it is. I think you can be a current customer to get this, I believe. It says current customer there, but you had to have a new line. So I'm pretty sure it's for new customers only. I don't know why current customers even on here. But yeah, you just select the plan. Select the plan type, voice and data, or data only. Which you guys will have to get the $6 plan anyway. Do that. Check that it's your new customer account type. You're switching to Cricket, or if you need a new number and stuff like that. Pretty simple. Then you scroll down here. I will take the $0 Beats headphones and pay for 3 months of $60 a month plan service today. So in order to get it, you guys have to pay for 3 months of service up front, which is about $180. So do keep it in mind. The SIM card is $9.99, so $10 for the SIM card. There's no activation fees online, but if you guys go to the store, they might charge you an activation fee. But this is online only, so do keep that in mind. And yeah, so this offer ends January 6th, 2022. So if you guys want some pretty cool headphones, check this deal out from Cricket Wireless. You guys have to be a new customer. Bring your own device to the Cricket. So you guys have to bring your own device over to Cricket. Before you guys do, make sure that it is compatible with Cricket first. But before you guys do that, I will have a link to this down below. So check this out. And yeah, if you guys do all the steps correctly, y'all guys can get yourselves a free pair of Beats headphones. I'm not sure what kind they are. So they look very nice, minus the blue color in my opinion. So yeah, if you guys want some free headphones, why not, right? It's a free headphones, you know, so pretty cool. So check it out if it does interest you. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it really helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.